Welcome to Agiana Steno classes. English dictation exercise 1. 100 word per minute. Start. It has been brought to the notice of the government that in the cases of private citizens who were killed in terrorist action long ago, the condition of applying within a period of 6 months for compassionate appointments is causing hardship to the families of such private citizens because most of the affected families residing in remote areas are not aware of this policy of the government. Full stop. The matter has been considered by the government and it has been decided that the condition of applying for compassionate appointment within a period of 6 months may be liberalized to the extent that the request for compassionate appointment by eligible depends members can be made within a period of 2 years instead of 6 months from the date of death. Full stop. However, in cases where no dependent member in the family of the deceased government employee becomes eligible for compassionate appointment within the prescribed period of 2 years from the date of death, due to their being underage, the requests for compassionate appointment in such cases can be made within a period of 6 months after any of the dependent member in the family becomes eligible for compassionate appointment. Full stop. Para. As regard the request for compassionate appointments in the past cases where death took place long ago, say about 5 years, and which are not covered under the policy stated above, such request may be considered keeping in view the ruling of the Supreme Court of India that the concept of compassionate appointment is largely related to the need for immediate assistance to the family on the passing away of the breadwinner. Full stop. The very fact that the family has been able to manage somehow all these years should normally be adequate proof to show that the family had some dependable means of subsistence. Full stop. Therefore, examination of such cases calls for a great deal of circumspection. Full stop. The applicant has to justify the delay in submitting the application for compassionate appointment, and where sufficient justification is not forthcoming, such request need to be rejected invariably. Full stop. The decision in such cases may be taken at the level of the administrative secretary of the concerned department, where appointment is considered in the case of dependent member of a deceased government employee. Full stop. In case of private citizens killed in terrorist action, the decision may taken by the administrative secretary of that department, where the appointment is considered in consultation with the Department of Relief and Resettlement. However, where balloted requests have already been rejected by this department, the matter need not be considered afresh. Full stop. In case where death took place more than 5 years ago and no request was made for compassionate appointment despite the fact that an eligible dependent was available for appointment after the death. Such balloted request, if made, should not be entertained because the delay in such cases and adequate proof to show that the family had some dependable means of subsistence para change while evolving revised pay scale in respect of different categories of teachers. Two categories of two of teachers were mentioned inter alia, laying down the requirements of the academic qualifications in their case. Full stop. It would not have been intended by the government that on their acquisition of higher lower grades shall automatically be placed in different higher grades commensurate with their academic qualification. Full stop. Normally, pay scale of various categories of post in any department are sanctioned, keeping in view the minimum qualification required for each category of post. Full stop. Similarly, the teaching posts are sanctioned for various educational institutions, keeping in view the subject and classes. The incumbents of these posts are required to teach and for that specific qualification are prescribed in the service rules as well as at the time of requirement. Full stop. As the instruction contained in the aforementioned letter did not bring out the intentions of the government in unambiguous terms, it resulted in different interpretations. Automatic grant of higher scales of pay on the basis of qualifications irrespective of the numbers of posts available in the department in that category. Full stop. In a number of cases, some teachers who were denied such higher grades on their acquiring higher qualifications sought readdress even through judicial pronouncements. Full stop. All the government had to grant the higher scales of pay in such cases in view of the present working of the instructions referred above, yet it was never its intention to undertake an continuing unintended and heavy financial burden that has developed on it because of the faulty framing of the aforementioned instruction para change. In order to ensure that these unintended and large financial implications do not continue arising in future, the whole matter has been reconsidered by the government. Full stop. As a result of this reconsideration, the governor is pleased to order that henceforth the teachers of the education department shall not become entitled to be placed in the higher scales of pay automatically on their improving acquiring higher qualifications during the course of their service. Full stop. The master and teachers in the education department will be placed in the scales of pay of their respective categories to which they are appointed against the sanctioned post and mere possession acquisition of higher qualification prescribed for other categories of post will not entitle them to automatically claim higher pay scales. Full stop. However, in order to avoid discrimination between teachers who have already been allowed higher scales of pay on account of having improved their qualifications and those who have not been allowed this benefit even though they also possess higher qualifications. It have improved their qualifications before the issue of this letter may be allowed the benefit of higher scale of pay on the basis of their qualification full stop. This benefit shall not be allowed to those who are appointed or improve their qualifications after the issue of this letter para.